This is my 2000 Mitsubishi Montero Sport all-wheel. I've been getting some squealing, so I decided to do a little video and see if you guys can identify anything that I might miss. Belts. The main issue in this car was primarily this AC belt down here. I don't know if you can see it from here, but notice it's cracked. Last time it cracked and it's sprayed all over the place, and I lost a few other rubber pieces hanging around. So every time the car starts up now, it kind of melts and I can smell the burning rubber smell. Other than that, it's been good. But if you look at this belt here, it's starting to already look like it's cracking up. But anyways, I'm gonna start the car up so we can see what it is. I got some Prestone belt dressing here, hoping this will help out a little bit. And my little dog here, really annoying, barking around. Anyways, leave it here. I'll start the car. Be right back. Okay, so you can kind of hear that there's a jittery noise. Everything seems to be fine. Belt seems to be tight.